Morning America, Mark.Kelson here today, Guaranty RV in Junction City, Oregon. Beautiful December morning to present to you this Thor 4 Winds 31W Class C luxury unit. Let's go inside and see what it has to offer. The biggest thing I like about this coach is floor plan. A lot of spacious room in here, but I like it when you have this couch right across from your dinette. And you can have your friends over, you can have fun, you can be, just goofing around and just having a party in here. You do have the bed up here, the extra little area for kids. They really like that. Back over here, you have your kitchen countertop. Look at this. Stainless steel sink, Corian. We got your Moen faucet. Nice cabinets on this thing. Colors very appealing. Right here you have a microwave convection. One of the interesting things here is you get the induction cooktop along with a propane stove, so you have both ways to cook. Very nice. A lot of surface area. Coming over here you're going to have a residential refrigerator and freezer with an ice maker. Stainless steel. Very beautiful. Also, a little place here for to store food. And coming back into this area right here, let's look at this area first. You do have like a big wardrobe or pantry or whatever you want to do with that there. A lot of drawers underneath. There's a lot of storage in this coach. Coming back here, you have the bathroom, and there's a lot of good light in there, a lot of space, corner shower. Beautiful skylight, fan up above, a lot of room in there. Nice. Into the back, into the bedroom, features queen bed, window right there, stands, rear window, which is also a safety exit in case you want to get out in the event of an emergency. Coming over this way, your huge wardrobe right here. Full-length clothing. Drawers all over underneath here in this slide out, and that's a full wall slide, so it gives you a lot of square footage in here. 32-inch TV as you're relaxing in the evening. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. We'll shut this door. There we go. Coming up front, you are on your Ford chassis. This is a Class C. It's going to be a 305 horsepower Ford chassis. You do have everything right up here at the touch of a fingertip. This coach does have levelers. It has everything that you'd ever want in a luxury Class C unit. You also have your backup camera right there. This coach does have side cameras also integrated into the mirrors, so that's something that's a little bit of an upgrade. Just a lot of stuff to offer here. Your cruise control at the touch of a button at your fingertips as you're going down the road. Heated mirrors. Adjustable from the inside, everything right here, and you can get in here readily, easily. There's not a big drop here, so pretty cool. Let's go outside and see what this coach has to offer. There's a couple real nice features. Coming outside, one of the things that this has that most Class Cs don't is full body paint, and that is a huge upgrade. You'll never have problems with your paint job. It'll always keep the same exterior for the life of the coach. Up above you have a huge awning, and that's an automatic awning. Touch of a button, it opens up. Coming back here to the back, you have a very nice area here of storage. Nicely detailed inside, trimmed out very nicely. Coming to the back, you have this ladder to get up on the roof so you can take care of your air conditioners, your roof seals, whatever you need to maintain up there. There's your nice window in the back, and they are the frameless windows, which is very sleek looking. Coming over to this side, you will see you do have that full length slide out, which gives you the all the square footage in that coach that you need. You also have the service to plug in right there. You have an outdoor shower. This does have the tankless water heater right here. And then you have your sewage dispenser underneath and all that, and the propane tank. Right here is your your camera to scroll down the side when you're turning on your blinker. It does have a 4,000 watt generator in here, and it's just overall it's just a beautiful looking coach. I'll tell you what, if this coach is of interest to you or any of these coaches we have on the lot, please feel free to give me a call. My name is Mark.Kelson. My number 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching today.